Hello guys, welcome back to Gilu's Kitchen. I greet you all. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a nice Haitian pickles. What we're going to be needing for the pickles, we're gonna need radish, we're gonna need tomatoes, we're gonna need onions. You can use any color of onions. That's what I have, so I'm using it. We're gonna need hot pepper. We're gonna need coleslaw, and we're gonna need some acidic naranja, but it's up to you. Sometimes I make it with vinegar, but I don't want to use vinegar, so I'm gonna use that. And I have this is pickles sauce. I'm gonna put it on the pickles. Is so tasty, it's so acidic, so I'm gonna use it to make the pickles. Watch me and see what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay guys, watch me, watch what I'm doing to make the pickles. Like I said, for tomato, it's optional. I like making it with tomato, so I use tomato. Onions too, it's optional because some people make it with just the coleslaw. So I put little stuff on it to make it tasty and make it nice. Okay, so we start with the coleslaw that I'm gonna pour in my container. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're gonna pour everything together. I'm gonna pour this. And I'm gonna pour some of the naranja. Ça nous relève l'ozo ici en Haïti. Nous mettons li là-dedans. Et puis nous allons mettre radish yo. Nous allons mettre tomate yo. Nous allons mettre piment. Et puis nous allons mettre oignons. Et puis nous allons mêler tout ensemble. Ok? On va mêler tout ensemble. So nous sommes capables de faire pickles là. Ok? Ok guys, nous allons mettre quelques petits bagages là-dedans pour nous faire le bon goût. Ça c'est un petit garlic pepper sauce. I'm gonna put some of it so it can taste good. And this one is jalapeno pepper sauce. I'll put a little bit on it. And we have habanero sauce. I'm gonna put some of it. Okay, you see the name of it? And this one is garlic pepper sauce, and this is jalapeno pepper sauce, and we're gonna use chipotle pepper sauce. Okay, but it's up to you. That's if you want. Okay, I want to make my taste so good, and they are very acidic. So I put a little bit on each. And what I didn't show you, I put some lemon on it. And if you want, you can make it with vinegar. Usually we make it with vinegar, but I just use the olive sauce to do it. Okay guys, this is the final of the pickles. I'm not gonna put it in a plate because it's just a pickles. I'm leaving it in the container. So this is it. It tastes so good. This is the juice of it. It tastes so good. You should be able to taste it. It tastes so good. So this is what I have for you today. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe or abonner avec channel là. When you subscribe, don't forget to put on your post notification, so anytime I post something, you would be able to see it. And I hope you like the video. I will be seeing you again for the next video. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Stay safe. God bless you.